Youth is beauty. In every perspective of the universe, humans are superior. Humans in every stage of life go through certain thinking, intellect, and physique. Adulthood youth is also among such stages. It's an addiction which is extremely charming, such an addiction in which every color of life is shining, fragrant, emotional, yet strong and untiring. Either there exists the story of rosy complexions Hazrat Yusuf alayhi salam, also known as Joseph, or whitish complexions Layla. Every story is of youth because youth is beauty, not fair or whitish complexion. Saying or considering youth a tremendous nature is also not wrong because it inculcates every beauty of nature existed in the entire universe because it can only be felt and felt so nicely. Hope this is spent in thanking Almighty Allah